got a Bobcat and I'm getting ready to do an oil change, filter change on this, but I couldn't really find any good videos out there that had a good point of view. So this video is going to be doing oil change, filters, greasing it up from start to finish. This is the S175 model, but it's pretty similar to the other models. Let it heat up for 10 minutes. Look on the bottom and find this hose that has a drain plug on the bottom. We'll open up the oil cap and you're going to see it's going to drain faster. We'll let that run. We're going to remove the oil filter. Clean around because it is got some gunk around that. Alright, we got the new filter here. Now what we want to do is lubricate the ring before we install this back on. And we're going to tighten this with our hand as far as we can go. So what we're going to do is an air filter, which is really easy. Just unscrew this. Man, that thing is dirty. All right, we're going to clean in there before we put it back on. We're going to remove the fuel filter. Now, before I remove it, I actually don't have any diesel because you got to refill the filter with diesel again. So what we're going to do is we're going to lube up the, all right, we got the ring lubed up with, dump it in there. Now we can tighten it back up. When you change the filter, don't forget to prime this right here. Press that in so you can get all the fuel into your lines before you start it again. For that, we're gonna install this just like this. There we go, air filter is done. All right, we got our hydraulic fluid loose. I'm gonna prep this one. All right, we're gonna add the new hydraulic. All right, we got all the new filters, the oil, the fuel, the air, and the hydraulic installed. All right, as you can see, it's pretty much done with the old oil, but what we're gonna do before we close it, we're gonna throw some new oil in there, let that drain out, and you'll see what I'm talking about. We're just gonna throw in a little bit. Wait for that. We're gonna come up here and we're gonna refill the hydraulic fluid for that, which is right here, so we can actually pull this cover off. Set it on top. Hydraulic fluid right here. We're in Washington. You can see right there the red. That's the recommended hydraulic fluid for this side of the state. So you can fill this up, and when you come to the side, the level right there, that little ball, it's on the bottom, so we want to see it go up. Started to go up. Now what I'm going to do is just clean off the tip. In this case, I know mine takes 9.5 quarts, but you can look up the specific ones to your model online on the Bobcat website. 9 quarts in there. Now we're gonna check the dipstick here. And that looks pretty good, pretty full. Right, today's date, the miles when we change this. We're also gonna throw a splash of fuel treatment in the diesel fuel, poquito nomás. All right, we got all the joints greased up. There was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 on each side on this model. Your model might have different. All right, well, there you have it. A complete oil change filters tune-up. If you like this video and you want to see more, make sure you guys hit the follow button and hit the like and share. Thank you.